Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss Give and Take, Class 3, Maths, Chapter number 3. Let us see Give and Take. Chapter 3 in your textbook. Give and Take. Give means you give something your friends or your daddy or mummy. Give means plus. Take means minus. You can take something from your friends or you can take something from your family members. So how we are going to give and how we are going to take, that only we are going to see in this chapter. Here one character is there, I am Kittu. This is my home. Here is the home for Kittu. It is a huge means very big. It has how many rooms? 100 rooms. Your house will have 2 rooms or 3 rooms or 4 rooms. But here how many rooms are there? 100 rooms are there. Room number 1, 1, 2, 3 up to 100. There are 100 rooms in this home. Now how to add two numbers? Easily using the rooms. Using the rooms we are going to add. For example, add 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10, how we are going to add? Using the rooms. Now first we go to 15. Where is 15 in the rooms? This is 15. We are going to add 10. For adding 10, just move 1 steps up. So what will be the answer? 25. So 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. Here we are not using any addition, just we are moving 1 steps upward to get the answer. So 16 plus 10, if you want to add 16 plus 10, what we have to do? Go 16, 1 step up, then write the answer. So what will be the answer? 26. So these rooms help you to understand or to add easily. That's what this chapter is given. These rooms are given to add easily. Now I start from room number 2. Where is room number 2? Here. I add 10 to 2 to reach room number 12. To reach room number 12, what I am doing? Add 10. Add 10 to 2. 2 plus 10. For adding 10, I go to 1 step up. 1 step just up to reach the room number 12. So to add 10 to 2, we can go all the way to the right to 10, then up to 11 and 1 step right to 12. This is one way to go from 10 to 12. 10 to 12, how to go? One way, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right up to 10, then 1 step up, then 11, 12. Like that you can go. Is there a shortcut? Of course. What is a shortcut? That only I told you. We can jump 1 step, 1 row up. 1 row up. If you jump, you will go to the room number 12. So 2 plus 10, 1 step up. How many step up? 1 step. So 2 to 12 is like taking 1 steps up. 1 steps upward. Upward jumping. Now try 1 jump up from 14. From 14, 1 step up. Where is 14 in the checked numbers? 14. 1 step up. where you will reach 24. So 14 1 plus 10 is equal to 24. 14 and 10 makes adding. This is adding, add symbol, add, addition, we can say addition. So 14 plus 10, the answer is 24. So using the grid, this is called a number grid or homes. From 1 to 100 rooms are there, so it will help you to add easily. How will I go from 22 to 41? So first you go to 22, then adding 10, that is one step up. 22 plus 10 32, 32 plus 10 42, then one step left. So you will get the answer 41. How? 22 plus 2 steps up. 22, where is 22? Here you can find 22. We are going to add 22 plus 22 to 41. So 22, here 41. So for one step, then second step, then we are coming back left. So you are getting the answer 41. Okay, so 22 plus 20 42, 42 minus 1, you will get to 41. How many steps did I go in all? Totally how many steps I have to go in all? So if you go upward, one step, second step, then third step. The third step you can go and get the answer. How? You could also go this way. Here from 22 take one step left to 21. That is another way. One step left to 21 and two jump up. Two jump. One jump, two jump. So 41 you can get. You can go either this way or which one is the easiest way? Shortcut. Shortcut is from 22 to 21, then 31, then 41. Like that. Here if you are going 1 2 3, here 1 2 3. So from 22 take one step left. First left, here we are going. This is left, a left side, a up. Okay. So then two jump up to reach 41. So 22 minus 1, you are getting 21. 21 plus 20, the answer is 41. The answer is 41. Like that you can make small checked box. 22 left side, then two step up, one step, two steps up. Like that by practice you can understand easily how to add two numbers. Find my food. Kittu's home. Here is the home. Kittu's home. Hey, I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. There are sweets. All the rooms are having sweets. Eatable sweets are there. Help me find that room. The answers from the next will help you find that room. Make them in my home. 10 less than 34. We start from 34. What we have to do? The rule. We start from 34 to find 10 less than. So 34, 10 less than. We will go 10 steps back or jump down one step. Shortcut is jump down one step or go 10 steps backward. When we jump one row down, we reach 24. The answer is 24. The answer is 24. So 34, where is 34? Here 34. If you jump one step down, you will get the answer 24. Or what we can do? You can go backward. 10 steps backward. 10 steps. You have to 10 steps backward, you will get 24. Jumping one steps down, you will reach 24. Okay, children. Now a jump from 34 is a jump from 34 to 24 is like taking 10 steps backward from 34. From 34 to 24 actually 10 steps. How many steps backward? 10 steps backward. We can write it this as 34 minus 10. Here we are taking out 34 minus 10. 34 minus 10 is equal to 24. The answer is 24. Similarly, 53 minus 20. Here minus 20 is equal to, so where is 53? Go to 53 in the 53 in the home, minus 20, minus 20. So 2 steps you can come downward. So 33, 53 minus 20. Where is 53 minus 20? 2 steps down, you will reach 23. So the answer is 53 minus 20 is equal to 33. Is equal to 33. 53 minus 20 is equal to 33. 11 more than 31. 11 more than 31 is equal to 42. That means 11 plus 31 is equal to 42. Similarly, 11 more than 31. 11 plus 31 is equal to 42. 11 less than 66. So 66 less means minus 11 is equal to 6 minus 1 5. 6 minus 1 5. So the answer is 55. How we can use this one, this grid? How we can use it? Go to 55. Sorry, go to 66. 11 less. First 10 less, one step down. This is 10 less. Again we are going to less 1. So one step left. So you will get 55. So this number grid will help you to subtract or add. For example, 62 plus 13. First go to 62. Where is 62? Here. 13. 13 means 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. So first 62 plus 10. For that one step up. Then 3 steps right side. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 75. 23 less. Less means subtract. 23 less than 89. So 89 minus, less means minus, subtract, minus 23. So the answer is, first using the grid, go to 89. Where is 89? Here 89. 23 subtract, less 23. So 2 steps means 20. Then 3. So 3 steps left. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 66. 66. Like that. 10 and 40 more. More means plus. You have to add. 10 plus 40 is equal to 50. You know easily. So 10 plus 40. One step. 1, 2, 3, 4 step. So you will get the answer 50. Like that. 9 added to 28 means plus. 28, go to 28, 9 added. We know one step if you go 10 added. So 28 plus 10, 38. But 9 only we are going to add. So one step left. So the answer is 37. Correct? The sum means plus. 9 and 44 plus you will get to 53. Reducing 98 by 34. Reducing means minus. Subtract. 98 minus 34. The answer is 64. 4 and 37 more. More means plus. So 37 plus 4. The answer is 41. Take away. Away means take away means minus. Subtract from 83. So 83 minus 35. So you will get 48. Go to 83. For 35 you can write 30 plus 5, 35. So minus means 3 steps down, 1, 2, 3. So you will get 3 steps down, 53. Then 5 left side. You have to go left side 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 48. That way also you can subtract, or you can write like this, you can subtract easily. Now 47 is 37 plus 10. 37 plus 10, 47 adding. If you add, you will get 47. 37 plus 9, you will get 46. 37, first go to 37, add 10, 47. But we are not going to add 10, 9 only. So one step left. So the answer is 46. The grid will help you to add or subtract quickly and easily. That's what this home of grid is helping. 65 minus 30. So go to 65. Minus 30 means 3 steps down. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 35. 67, 46 plus 21. Add these two. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. So the answer is 67. Similarly, we can Similarly, how will you do this? First sum, 66 minus 55. Write 66 minus 55. This 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. You can add these two number and write it here. 5 and 4 makes 9. This 4 and 5 will make 9. So 99. Now for this sum we want dash plus 26 is equal to 75. So first you write 75 minus 26. 5 you cannot subtract 6. So cut, carry 1 from here, it will become 15. The 7 will become 6. Now from 15 subtract 6, you will get 9. 6 minus 2, you will get 4. So 49. So the answer 49. How we are getting? Subtracting 75 minus 26. Okay. 56 you should get. How? Dash minus 21. The answer is 35. So for this you just add 35 plus 21. 35 adding 21, you will get 56. Here what you have to listen, if it is plus sign you have to subtract from the greater number. If it is minus sign you have to add the numbers. These two numbers you have to add. This you have to remember. Here you see, now when you subtract 87 minus 30, you will get 57. Subtraction, the direct subtraction. 7 minus 0, 7 minus 0, 7 only. 8 minus 3, 5. Easily you can subtract. Now 36 equal to dash plus 9. For this sum, just like 49 plus 26. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 36 minus 9. Again 6, 9 not going, carry. So it will become 16. Cut 3 and write 2. So 16 minus 9, 7. 2 here no number is there, you can put 0. So 2 minus 0, 2. So the answer is 27. 40 plus dash, the answer is 76. So here also you have to subtract 76 minus 40, you will get this answer. 98, we are getting the answer, dash plus 50 is 98. So you can add this to 50 plus 48, adding you will get 98. 57 minus dash number, the answer is 20. So 57 minus 37, the answer is 20. Like that you can do addition and subtraction using the grids, or without using the grid we can do the exercise. Thank you.